In this video, I'll show you how to create flowcharts with Claude AI. This is a simple way to visualize processes, workflows, or step-by-step systems. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a flowchart. For example, I might type, "Create a flowchart for a customer onboarding process." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a flowchart structure, usually in text format showing steps and connections. If I want a more visual-friendly format, I can ask Claude to output it in a diagram format like mermaid or step-by-step flow structure. For example, I might type, "Create a flowchart using mermaid syntax." Claude can also help refine the flow by adding decision points, steps, and conditions. Once the flowchart is ready, I can copy or download the content and use it in tools like diagram software or presentation slides. And that's it. I've successfully created a flowchart using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.